Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes. Today we're looking at a Suzuki GS500. Superb little A2 run around, going cheap. Just had a full service done to it. It's ready to go. It's being sold as it is, trade in, trade out, and the price will reflect that. Tyres at the front and rear are pretty much new as well, as you'll see. There's a front tyre, front mudguard. There is chips and scrapes and stuff throughout, but it's a great little run around bike and get you through, either if you're doing an A2 license or you want to just a hack to get around town and get your end done cheaply. Right hand side then, you see the engine. It's got the crash bars on it, exhaust. Up the top then, there's a few little marks on the plastic at the rear. Seat is in good condition with no rips or tears on it. Rear grab rail as well. 2002 bike with indicators, brake light at the rear. The tyre at the rear again, as you can see, is pretty good. Move on to chain and sprocket, also good. The main stand and side stand on this bike, again you get the crash bars on the left hand side. Again, obviously little bits throughout, like on the tank there you'll see little mark there, but overall pretty good. 36,368 miles on the clock. Moving on to the front, it's got aftermarket indicators at the front here. Other than that, it is a hack, it is a run around. I think it's taxed by, come round to the opposite side here, sorry. No, it's not, sorry, my bad, I was thinking of another bike. Oh, here it is here, 521, so tax is out. I think it's €88 for the whole year, so not too bad. But that's it for the Suzuki GS500. Let's go to the ride along video. Okay, so we're on to the first bike. I'm going to leave you to the end, my special treat. And this first bike is a Suzuki GS500. Like I said, it is being sold as seen. It's running, driving, stopping, starting, as you see in this video. And a real good runner for someone who wants a cheap run around to get them around the place for small money. So first thing is, make sure the fuel is on. So I'm going to go on to reserve because, actually I'll just put it on to on. I think there's enough in it. Yeah, there is. Turn the ignition on, put some choke on and start it up. Should start pretty much straight away. Get the revs up. And let's see how we get on. Alright, are we recording? We are. Let's get this propped up a bit more. Turn the choke down a small bit. I'm getting a hair in my mouth here. Let's go for a spin. I've seen a lot of these bikes. I think I've ridden 2 or 3 of them. A twin 500, A2 license applicable, I believe. One of very few, because obviously the laws in Ireland are, well, I guess European wide, it's just craziness with that A2 license. It's like, do you want 4 bikes? Or else you want a brand new bike that you pay 8 grand for? It's like, how is someone who's going to get new into bikes in their early 20s going to afford that? But here we are, we're on the GS500. First of all, tyres feel good, so actually the turn-in is a lot better than the previous ones I've ridden. Gears feel good. You've no choke on now. Gearbox feels very good actually, going down the gears nicely. And we'll turn up here. Give him a nod. And away we go up the hill. And we go to our turnaround point. But yeah, a lot of you guys, I think we have a lot of new subscribers, just hit over 4,000 subscribers now. So a lot of new subscribers over the last 6 months or so. We've gone up to about 2,500 to 4,000, so quite a bit. I obviously know it's not a lot compared to, you know, the big channels out there, but still a good amount of following here on Retro Bikes Dublin. I am trying to do more of me in front of the camera, which I did with the CBR 600R. But it's difficult because when it's so busy down at the lockup there, you know, there's nearly shooting conditions, or for film is you know, it's just not possible. But if you haven't made it this far into the video, if you could leave us a like, comment and subscribe to our channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. and you've plenty more of these bikes come. As you'll see, I walked past about 8 bikes there. They're all going up on the channel now shortly, so that'll what you can look forward to over the next few weeks. I don't know which way I'm going to put them up, but this might be one of the first ones. But this bike is for sale. We're going to be asking about 1,500 quid, I believe, for it, so pennies, to be honest, and actually rides pretty well. Not a slow coach by any means, and turning is very nice. Now let me sit the bike up down here, stick her into neutral, if I can get neutral here. I'm being a bit of an idiot. There we are. Let me just stick her in the side stand, and let's do the indicators. Front left working, rear left working, rear right is working as well, and the front right is working too. And I get the light then. We turn them on first of all. Headlamp, there we go, high beam and low beam all working. So all the lights, everything like that working on the bike. Everything ready to go. Let's turn off that indicator. It's idling nicely. And we're ready. That's ready for someone. The crash bar's on it. I mean, that's ready for someone to have a rock on and have a decent time. Let's get a picture for the thumbnail, and away we go. So if you haven't made it this far into the video, that's going to be the end of the Suzuki GS500 kind of little small first ride and review. It's for sale on our Retro Bikes Dublin website as well as Done Deal. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook, Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. And finally, again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That's been it. Thanks for watching.